Welcome to the whichermath channel and the content area companion for the violent and dangerous video that just happened that involves spam and chocolate milk. Let's do some calculations. Do the nice clean side of the problem. A chunk of bacon flavored spam is dropped into a glass vase that is half full of chocolate milk. The question, by how many centimeters will the level of chocolate milk rise? Take a second and copy that down, maybe make a sketch. Here are the numbers. The dimensions of the spam measured in centimeters are 5 by 7 by 9. In other words, we got a little block of meat product and 9 that way, 7 that way, and 5 that way. The dimensions or the measurements, okay? Very good. Then, what we have, the dimensions of the glass vase or vase. If you have more money than me, you'd say vase, which is probably most of you. Okay. And what that means is we've got another rectangular prism. This one's tall. Taller and skinnier than the spam. 9 by 9, that's the base. So we're down here. And then the height, 17. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. We're going to drop this into that. And the catch here is the problem says it's half full chocolate milk, which means really we're going to use 8.5 centimeters as the height for our calculations, and we're going to compare to that, assuming once we drop it in, the level is going to go up. Okay? So here we go. First of all, what is the volume of 1 centimeter of chocolate milk? Okay. The reason I'm asking this is, if we go back to the question is, by how many centimeters will the chocolate milk rise? So if we know the volume of 1 centimeter, then we could do the volume of spam. It's me making my plan ahead of time. How many 1 centimeter layers of milk would fit into the spam? Of milk. Okay. That's going to give me how many centimeters the milk would rise. So from a common sense logic standpoint, I don't need the 8.5, I don't need the 17. I need volume equals 9 times 9 times 1, right? 1 layer. A 1 centimeter layer of chocolate milk is 81 centimeters cubed. Okay, now I need the volume of the spam, which we were told, and this is a true story if you saw the other video, 5 by 7 by 9. Order does not matter when you're calculating volume. It's just 3 numbers. The commutative property of multiplication applies. Okay, that equals 315. So we simply go 315 divided by 81 is going to tell us how many centimeters it will rise. When we make that calculation, I get 3 8/10 repeating centimeters, right? That's how many 1 centimeter layers of chocolate milk would fit into this, which means once I drop that in there, this is how much the milk is going to rise. Okay? And that answers our question. it will rise. So the new level should be 8.5 plus, let's just round that off to 4, okay? About 12.5 centimeters. Please watch the other video and find out if that's right. Just click here. It'll take you over to that demonstration in case you missed it, and see how all these connections work in the real world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.